5 different closet organization hacks for ADHD that you can use right now. And the first one is organize your closet by color and by purpose. Firstly, by color, because it makes it easier to go look in your closet and find whatever you're looking for. Instead of having to look for a specific item, you're looking for a color in your closet, and then everything in that section should be that one color. Maybe you want all your blue clothes in one section of your closet, so make sure that you organize it so you have those blue clothes in that one section. If you see here in my closet, I do have everything organized like that. I have blue and red and green, and they're organized all together. So all I have to do is go into my closet, look around, and I can find whatever I'm looking for. I at least know the general section it's in. Also, you want to organize by purpose. For example, here in my closet, I have everything organized by polos, and then I also have workout shirts or fitness shirts that I wear. And that way, when I know I want to go work out, I can go right to the section where the fitness shirts are or the workout shirts are and choose a shirt from there. And when I want to actually go out somewhere, I can go grab a polo from that section. I also have sections for pants and dress clothes and things like that. Whatever makes it easier for you to find the clothes you want, then go ahead and do that. Now, the next thing is actually divide your closet into sections, not only by color and by purpose, but actual sections in your closet. For example, in my closet, I have all my board games on a shelf in one section, and you can look up there and I can find whatever board game I need. You can also have sections not only for clothes, but maybe you have clear containers in there that contain CDs or papers, whatever. You have everything in your closet in that one section, or maybe you have something else inside your closet you need to make sure has its own separate section. That way you go into your closet, you know where your clothes are, and then you also know those designated sections you have in your closet. It makes it really easy to go looking in your closet and find whatever you need. And here's another closet organization hack that will help with ADHD, is to divide your shelves into sections, because generally shelves have a lot of space on them. So what you want to do is get a shelf divider. They make them in plastic, acrylic, whatever kind of material you want, and then you just install it. Really easy to install it, and then you're gonna have different sections on your shelf. That way you can put seasonal stuff up there if you want, maybe extra bedding if you want to have it up there, just whatever you want, and divide it up into as many sections as you need. You're not kind of wondering where everything is. You know, everything has a specific section and specific place in your closet. If you're enjoying the video, then subscribe to the channel. Now, the next thing is keep your closet door open. And the reason you want to do this is because when your closet door is closed, you obviously can't see inside it. And that means you can't see any clutter in your closet at all. And that can be a very bad thing, because you need to know when your closet is getting cluttered up and when you might need to go in there and start decluttering and start organizing it. And this is one of the easiest hacks to help you stay aware of how much clutter you have in your closet. Now, my suggestion is you don't even need a closet door on your closet. A lot of times you can go ahead and remove it, and then you don't have the issue of actually the closet door ever being closed. And another closet organization hack is to have light in your closet. Let's face it, closets are generally dark unless you have light in there. Even in the daytime, and you might have a window that gives you some light in your closet, you just can't see everything in your closet without some light. You can see it right here. When I have no light on, can't see anything. When I have sunlight, I can see just about everything in my closet, and that's a good thing. And with ADHD, out of sight, out of mind can be a real issue. And if you don't have enough light in there to see whatever you need to see, then you may miss what you're trying to actually get out of your closet. And so you want to have something in your closet that gives you extra light. They do have these adhesive lights that you can add in your closet, and they don't mess up the wall or anything of the closet, and they are really inexpensive to get. And it's just going to be a great thing to actually have in your closet. Now, I do have another video that gives you even more closet organization hacks for ADHD. I'm gonna put that video up on the screen. Just click it when it comes up on the screen, and you can have even more closet organization hacks that you can use right now that are easy to use as well. And I hope you enjoy that video too.